i35equipment.com. Today we're going to be showing you how to change out your windshield wiper on the Tesla Cybertruck. It's pretty easy. It does have a couple intricacies though compared to a normal wiper. First thing you want to do is to get in your vehicle and make sure your wiper is turned to off and not just on automatic. Second thing we recommend, go ahead and grab yourself a towel or a glove to put under the arm. Glove like that works great, because when you pop this off, this metal bracket will make contact with glass. So now that that's ready, you're just going to grab right here, pushing down on that button. You're going to pull up on the blade itself and pull it up and out. Make sure you put your metal blade down on your glove or towel, and then you'll see the windshield wiper fluid hose is connected right here. This just pulls out and off. Put it on your new one. This is a brand new one, so we're just going to go ahead and reattach it. Pull this up. Make sure you push that button down, slide it back in, and you're good to go. You can remove the glove. Nice and easy. Hope that video was beneficial to you, and hope you have a wonderful day.